So if you have a problem with your Fitbit Versa 4 where it simply refuses to turn on no matter what you do, and every time you press the power button it refuses to turn on. Now the main culprit for this one might be low battery. Okay, so the first thing you want to try is maybe plug it in for a couple of seconds. Just use the cable, basically the charger that comes in the box of your Fitbit, plug it in and give it maybe 5 to 10 minutes and see if it's going to boot up. Okay, now if that doesn't work, then I'm assuming it doesn't work because mine obviously works. If that doesn't work, then you can go ahead and force a restart of the watch. So to do that, simply press and hold this for long enough until you see the Fitbit logo. So press and hold the side button, just keep holding until you see the Fitbit logo, and then now you can release. It's going to flash like that for a couple of seconds. And it should boot right back up. There you go. So the Fitbit logo is there, basically showing the Fitbit Versa 4 is currently booting up. So these are the two main things you can do in case your Fitbit Versa 4 refuses to turn on. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.